Good morning, guys. You are welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. We will be starting with our previous day analysis. What we our expectation from the market, what we discussing if each TP from our one is gone. I see TP since yesterday here. Our limit order, but price didn't even give us any opportunity. We did an analysis and we expect a price move, any retracement into that either. For the fact that I wasn't with the system, so we're not our trade. But from what we've seen coming to raid all this level and into this higher level, yeah, our trade these days. So this low is kind of not that pure because yesterday we just have, you can see the rejection low, the previous, and that's signaling to us that price tricky this election, and we have this eventual price has been moving very, very towards that. Okay, I might be able to be on looking for what we'll be looking for in the market. So we have this this level here, and those levels need to be attended by some kind of impulsive movements and Christmas our yeah. You can see that okay below this we have into our any and massive, but the month is yet to close, so we can't because monthly internal structure. Okay, we have this swing low here also. We try and patiently try to look out for what price is going to do around this area. Okay. And the CPI can give a very massive effect on this yeah. So I would suggest we wait it out and let's see, because the price action we are getting from all these levels are not that pure to me. So if I thought I'm going to take any trades, what I'm going to personally do is to, because this leg is not that easy to be acted on, even though this particular something acted on the imbalance that we have here, and it's kind of picked the other block that we have on daily here, then we have this down movement. But this particular daily order block is a very, very impulsive one. You should give this particular one here, should give enough volatility downward. But from what we are seeing here, something is not moving that, so the impulsiveness is not there. So I guess what we're going to have is this, and in anticipation for what is going to happen in the news, we can have all these levels being cleared out, and this particular leg that's supposed to give the impulsive move, this eye can be taken downward because we had enough volatility on this month. Our market has been moving impulsively in the past few days. So let's see let's see. Okay. All I'm going to be doing is very simple. I have a trade above this level. I'll be keeping the trade we had there on Monday. I'll be keeping it. And in case the news comes in and it takes the liquidity above this level, so also I'll be keeping my trade here, and I'll be maintaining these two trades that we have above this, and the other one is within this place. So that's the second level of trade that I have in the market. So I'm going to retain my previous two trades, because I didn't trust this leg and I didn't trust what this is going to do yet. Because if this happens to be our strong high, and we are yet to have a weak low that will be targeting, even though the weak low is yet to be, we are yet to have any proper reversal into mitigating this leg that we have here. But it has not to be giving us proper mitigations. So we're just going to let it be and stick to our previous trade. I can't take any day in the US. Still have much movement than Tuesday that we didn't have higher movement. From what we are seeing on daily, we have to use open high low close to judge it. We have this liquidity been taken, and our open high low close is, as you can see from this angle, we have this internal structure. But this candle is yet to close, but I'm expecting this candle to at least come up into the top before any movement downward. But in anticipation of news, so that would be you see this internal structure that we have here, but we didn't have a proper closure below it, so I can't bank on it. So at this level here, we can have a shift here and a minor shift that will send price higher. And in anticipation for news, I'll just wait it out. This London session, I'll only be retaining my trade here and the one I have above this level. So if we're going to have a manipulation above this, and if the news is volatile enough, it can come and take this level also and send price lower. USD. Let's go to NAS100 and try to see what we have there. Okay, the same thing. They have been moving slowly since Monday, but because of CPI, anything can happen today. So I guess I will just be leaving my trade on NAS100. Those price actions that we are having here cannot be banked on. Can't take a trade from this movement in the market. So except you want to scalp it. But I'm not sitting in front of system or the set up forget system. And let me just, because I want to gradually be moving away from NAS100 because of the volatility that it will be bringing into the market this day. Rather stick to my euro and gold. So over time, we're just going to put this NAS100 because of the price actions that we're having here. That is not that pure. We can see the movement that I made previously and the way it has been manipulating up and down, and all the price actions that are supposed to give a very good reaction. I'm going to have it that way. So I will only be leaving my trade, and if it should close it out on, at least for now, on NAS100, and we'll only be sticking to gold and euro. So let's move to gold and try to see what we can capitalize on also. Okay. So from what we have here, I guess all these trades, they are anticipating physical. They're anticipating news. They're expecting CPI, so kind of try to see what void here. Very big liquidity void, and we have liquidity above this level. But if we're going to have it, we have some levels here. And personally, I guess I'm going to be taking, but if I'm going to take any trade at all, it will be in between this leg that we have here. We have liquidity void here. But if I'm going to be taking any trade, I'll let it be at this place here. Level that we have here. Because we always have some deeper retracements. That we have the perfect 1 to 5. And this place has been properly mitigated, but we didn't have any mitigation here. So I guess we're just going to have, it should be my picked order block. And, gold can be so volatile. This internal structure that we have here, if it happens to be, it should have sent price lower. But we have liquidity void in all these areas that we have here, even though it has been tapped, but that's we can't confidently rely on. So for that reason, we're not going to trust it. So for any reason at all, I'm going to be anticipating that we have a proper retracement into this level. Might hold price lower because it's live perfectly with the 50. So the liquidity void can kind of like send price lower also. But we're going to kind of like wait because it's news that is coming. So there's no 1 hour and try to see we have this liquidity void here. We have this level. I have another level here. I can sustain the price. But to be on the safer side, I'll be picking down, losing that trade. But if I have time before New York, we're going to sit down and do some kind of analysis again to try and see what we can capitalize on. But the price actions that I'm seeing here is something I can't fully trust on this highlighted 4-hour level. So I guess that would be my trade on gold. So good. Let's have that level there. So that's 23. 23.75. So 23.75. Maybe times 5. And 3.705 times 5. So we have 1.8525. Should give us our perfect 1 to 5. So in that level, kind of like okay, anticipate because of news. So this will be my trade on gold today, and so this will be my trade on gold today. Yes, that will be all for this morning. Have a wonderful trade, and always have it in mind that this is not a trade. It's not a financial advice. It's called trade ideas and signal for a reason. So trade with proper risk management and secure your funds. Have a wonderful, nice trade and profitable day ahead. Thank you very much.